Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anushka, and before we begin today's video, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press that little bell because there are a lot of amazing videos coming up. I have a little quotation on my table by Dr. Abdul Kalam, and it says, "Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great." Why I'm sharing this thought with you is, there are some little changes that we can make in our lives to improve the quality of our life, to improve our personalities, and make ourselves a better person. This is all that I'm going to discuss in today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 11 little habits that will entirely change your life. And they will cover different areas of your daily routine. So let's start with the first one. Hot water with honey as the first thing in the morning. You might have heard a lot of benefits of honey and having lemon water at the morning, but if you can't consume lemon water as the first thing in your morning, you can have honey in hot water. What all it does, you can Google it, but I would tell you only one thing, that it will entirely improve the quality of your digestion, improve the quality of your body, and also make you feel energized right when you kickstart your mornings. Eating without digital media. Very tough. I know you can't even imagine yourself eating without scrolling YouTube videos, scrolling Instagram reels, or watching anything on the television. But this is one little change if you bring in your life, you can entirely change the way your food benefits your body. Please try to not be exposed to any kind of digital media while your 3 important meals of the day, that is the breakfast, lunch and dinner, and you will see tremendous change in your life. Keeping your phone away from your pillow at bedtime. Well, I know this is very tough for us because we all either charge our phones when we sleep or keep on scrolling till our eyes droop down. But this is exactly what you have to avoid. It creates a lot of harm for your eyes, you all know that. But apart from that, it also interrupts your sleeping pattern. It will really disturb your sleep, and it will also be very harmful to charge your phone. So you can either keep a stool next to your bed or you can keep your phone on the bedstead. Using a hydrating eye drop. Well, we all tend to neglect our eyes all throughout our day, but since we all are exposed to different social media portals, different things like laptop, mobile phones and televisions, it is very important that we take care of the health of our eyes. You can use any eye drop like Refresh Tears at least 2 times a day so that your eyes are in good shape. Avoid lounging on beanbags for a long time. You know what? I was really excited to buy beanbags since a long time, and I recently got one. But I got to know something really uncomfortable about it, and that is what I'm going to share. Lounging on beanbags for a long time can create stomach problems. It can create problems like gastritis. It can give you a really bad shaped belly. And if you want to avoid that, try to sit on your beanbag for small amounts of time. Don't lounge for longer periods. Never stop writing with pen. Well, this is one of the most important habits that I would say out of all the 11 ones that I want to tell you today. Please remember those days when we were as children really eager to start writing with pens. And now when we are exposed to our mobile phones, we have literally stopped using our pens to even note down anything to remember. Please don't do that. Always keep a pen and a sticky note or any notebook handy to keep on writing whatever you feel like. Change your pillow covers every 2 to 3 days. Yes, it is very important. Of course, you can't change your bed sheets every other day, but pillow is most exposed to different bacteria, and that is what makes your hair quality worse, and even your respiratory problems can occur. So please try to change your pillow covers within 2 to 3 days. Wash and moisturize your feet at night. The most neglected part of our body, our feet, need a lot of good care. You know what? In olden days, people used to apply hot mustard oil to their feet at night because it gave them really peaceful sleep. And this is the reason why I'm including this as one of your 11 habits. It will give you a peaceful sleep, a soothing effect, and really good relaxation. Try to avoid cold water. This is one of the 11 habits that I must say has brought a really big change in my life. It has been around 2 years, I would say, that I have not consumed cold water at all. And what all it does, it saves me from cough and cold, the regular problem that everybody faces. It has brought a really good effect on my throat. It has also helped me with my voiceovers. And overall, what all hindrances the cold water brings to your body, everything like that will get avoided. So try to drink plain or normal water. Don't drink cold water. Never cover your face while sleeping. I have seen some people have a habit of covering their faces with top sheets while they sleep, and they say that it feels really cozy, really comfortable, but I must tell you that it creates an environment of carbon dioxide. It hinders with your respiratory passage, it hinders with your overall sleeping quality and your body, so please try and avoid doing that. Always note down and maintain your expenses. You know what, my parents always had a habit of writing down whatever things they spent their money on every single day in a diary, and they had their diaries through years and years to see what all they spent their money on. This is one of the habits that I have learned from them, and I suggest you all to do the same. It will bring a really good change in your life because you can even track on which thing you spend the most and on which thing you spend the least, so that you can revise your expenses the next month. So guys, that was all for today in this video. I hope you liked it, and I'm sure that you will definitely try out these habits. If you do, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Also, if you have still not seen my previous video, you can find the link here. Don't forget to like and share my video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that little bell for all the updates of my future videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe.